my channel Technoday Trader. Today I am going to speak about LG's Rollable TV, which was introduced in last CES Consumer Electronics Show, happened in Las Vegas in 2019 recently. And the main characteristic of this TV is completely rollable TV. There is a 3 mode of this TV. Either it can be completely up and it's like normal TV, regular TV, and there is a second mode which is called line mode, which is halfway down, and you can configure some application like weather, and you can also watch your video in different aspect ratios. And it's not limited to single aspect ratio, so you can have different dimensions of the video. In the layman terms, you can use this TV to watch all the movies in different aspect ratios. And apart from them, it's a 65-inch OLED TV which has a very slim panel and vibrant color, and not only that, a great black, so you can have a perfect contrast and complete package in a one box. So it's like there is a box and it will open up, the TV will come up in say 8 to 10 seconds. Slowly the TV will come up and it will be completely converted into a TV, and beneath that there is a speaker where you can configure the sound, and it's like watching the TV going up and down. It's like it's amazing. So this TV is yet to come in the market, but according to LG, it will come in the end of 2019. But it will be going to be highly expensive. We can't imagine, and because it's a 4K OLED TV, and apart from that, because it's a foldable technology, which is a patented technology by LG, it is going to be damn expensive. That's all for today on LG Rollable TV. Stay tuned to my channel to have such kind of technical updates, and see you soon next week with more updates. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.